basically means the same because it's just milk. Took a little convincing, but we got the pro here in Orlando, Casey. He's warming up. He's actually riding on an adventure board. He is not on his personal race, so keep that in mind, but just watch what he does. All right, here we go. Tailing Casey right now. He's gonna rip around to the starting gate. So we're coming up on Ron John Surf Shop. I have never in my life seen so many surf shops out in one area. It is crazy. We're out on this peninsula, Cocoa Beach and High Tower Beach are the two spots we hit so far. One was called Dog Beach, but it was in Cocoa Beach. But this surf shop, and there's lots of them that are big, but this Ron John one has multiple buildings, multiple stories on both sides of the street. Oh my God, look at this! Look at it, it's still going! All of this is! It's insane! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm 90% sure there's no gators in here. The good news is I can't see them even if there are.